Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily set up camera pro mode on the Honor Magic V6. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the camera app. Here, you're gonna agree and you can choose whether you want to access the precise location or the approximate one. I mean, if this is a camera, I would rather go for precise so I know where I took the picture. I'll do while using the app. Here, as you guys can see, we will be on the photo. Now we want to go to Pro, and that's basically the camera pro mode. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna regulate some settings. So here we have the M, as you guys can see. Now, whenever I look here, I can see that this is changing. So let me quickly take two pictures for reference. And as you guys can see, the first picture and the second one, this one looks pretty bad. I mean, these are not my settings, but this one looks much better. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna move and we can select the ISO to be manual. So ISO, as you guys can see, we can easily just adjust it from 50 to 60, 400, and also the shutter, we can change it. As you guys can see, the best way to set it up is to match it with your lighting. So if you want a bit of a lighter picture, you can change it. If you want a darker one, you can also change it. But if you change it to like 30, then it will just be a widescreen. And now here we have the EV. But if you want to use it, you need to make sure that your shutter speed and ISO are set to automatic. Here you can change your exposure, and also here we have the autofocus. We have the S setting, the C, and the manual focus, so we can adjust it however we want. So you can just do that or do that, and as you guys can see, the focus is getting worse. So let me quickly take two pictures with this focus right here, and now this focus right here. So as you guys can see, this is the normal focus, and this is the worst one. You can see that there's a big difference. Also, we got the white balance. We can change it. We got a lot of icons for it, or we can just set it up like this so we can make our picture look colder or warmer. Here, auto white balance definitely works best. And that's how you guys can easily set up the camera pro mode. So everybody has to find their own settings. Also, you need to easily just find a place where you take pictures, because every single place just, I think like it deserves a lot of those settings set up differently. So that's basically how you guys can use and set up the camera pro mode. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.